I am still Oluwatoyin Precious. Now that our ebook is ready, the next thing we should do is to design the book cover. I would advise you design the paperback cover too before you proceed to Canva for publishing. So you won't go get to Canva, do your ebook first, then come back, start designing the paperback cover. And if you don't want to design the cover by yourself, you can give it to a professional graphic designer. But I will advise to cut expenses, learn how to create beautiful designs by yourself. You can make use of Canva. Canva is very easy to use. Then let us also bear in mind that the accepted size of ebook on Amazon is 6 by 9. So in whichever size you present your book, by the time you are publishing it on Amazon will tell you that the size is not correct. So there is a particular place where Amazon will ask you if you want them to help you do the correct resizing. Then you click on it. So you don't need anybody to collect money from you to help you format your book to the required size. You can do it on yourself by following the instructions or the prompts from Amazon. Okay, let's continue. We want to see how to design a book cover on Amazon. On Canva. So click on this plus sign. Let's say, click on custom size. Change this one to inches. 6 by 9. Then click on create new design. Create new design. Before you come here, so you won't be going back and forth on Canva. Before you come here, you should have downloaded black background. Just go to Google, click on black background. You will see many of them. Download one. Then I will send you Amazon paperback template. So you should have that ready on your phone. You should also have the black background ready too. Another way, if you want another Amazon paperback template different from the one I am going to give to you, you can go to Bookwo. Bookwo is spelled as book, then you add ow.com, bookwo.com. So you when you get to bookwo.com, you tell them the size of the book you want a paperback cover template for. So it will send it into your mail, and then you can use it from there. We want to design a book cover. So here, let's say you want to give it a color, you want to give the background a color, you can pick any color of your choice. And another thing I should stress here is the fact that your cover must be very colorful and catchy, because that is one of the things that will attract your reader on Amazon. If your cover is not catchy, it might not gain attention. Some reader buy some books because of the color. So let's say I'm using this color. The next thing is you want to add the title of the book. Okay. I clicked on text. So I'm going to pick add a heading. So I'll click on edit. Let's say the title of the book I want to do is how to, let me do it in capital letter. How to if and divorce a narcissistic spouse. Okay, so after writing it, I can change the font size. I can change the font size. Please be mindful of the edges so that it won't be cut away when, or it won't give you stress when Amazon is trying to review your book. You can decide to change the color and you can leave it as black. Let's make sure it is at the center. Okay, it's at the center. Very good. Now let's see, do we want to change the color? You can give it white, or let's leave it as black. Let's give it white. I think I prefer the white. Okay, let's proceed. So you give it a subtitle, add a subheading. You bring the subheading here, you put whatever you want to put. You can use the same subheading to put your name or your pen name. I've told you it's not a must you use your name, and it's not a must you must use your pen name. It depends on your choice. So now that you are through with it, your ebook cover must be saved as JPEG. Must be saved as JPEG. If it is not saved as JPEG, Amazon will not accept it. So it must be saved as JPEG. Then you click on download to download it. After you have downloaded it, this one we just created, this cover we just made is for the ebook. You will now proceed to quickly do the paperback cover before you leave Canva. Let's see how to do that quickly. You can use Canva for that also. You can use Canva for that also. So let's go back to home. Let's go back to home. Then we go back to where we started from. Remember, I said for the paperback you should get your black background ready and the Amazon paperback template, which I will send to you, or you can get it by yourself by going to www.bookwo.com. Okay, custom size in inches. There is always size for every book cover. There is always size for every book cover. So let's say for this one, the size is I used to write it somewhere. Let me quickly check one. It depends on the number of pages of your book that will determine the size of the cover. But the general one for the type of template I'm going to send to you is around oh my goodness, here is it. At times I used to check it online depending on the number of pages of my book. Okay, let's change this one to pixel. Let's change this to pixel. then this one to 660, and this one 1560. Then you create a new design. Create a new design. For your paperback, you must save it as PDF. Your paperback cover must be saved as PDF. Your ebook cover must be saved as JPEG. No, there is an error. Oh, this is not what I want. Let's resize. The one I'm supposed to put at the width is the one I put. Let's resize. Oh, the 1560 should be here. 1560 should be here. Why 660 should be here. This is what we are supposed to have. Okay. So when your book cover is ready, both the ebook and the paperback, that is when you can now proceed on Amazon. Of course, your book is ready. Your book is ready, so you just immediately. Okay, let's see what we have here. I want to quickly show you. I don't know why this one is hanging like this. Okay, still only water impressions. Let's quickly calculate the size of our book cover, so to be sure of what to do. Let's say KDP cover size calculator. KDP cover size calculator. It will give us the exact thing we are supposed to do. Okay, so let's see. You fit this place. It is paperback. The interior is black and white. The paper type is white paper. The page direction is left to right. The measurement is in inches. The interior is 6 by 9. I said the acceptable size on Amazon is 6 by 9 inches. Let's assume the book we want to publish is 22 pages. So what is the dimension? Sorry, I said it must be 24 minimum. So the dimension is, calculate dimension. So the dimension is 12.304 by 9.25. 12.304 by 9.25. So now that we have gotten this dimension for the book we want to do, the next thing to do is to now go back to Canva. So we will get a perfect frame now to enter our you can see where I tried to enter the size the other time. So that's where you're going to enter the size. So after putting in the size, in case this network is not going to allow us, that's why I'm saying it ahead. So after putting in the size, the next thing we are going to is still bringing up that same one. Still bringing up that same one. I want us to start afresh. You click on custom size. We click on custom size. Then we put in the size, the 12.0. Okay, click on this button, custom size. So here you have, okay, change this one to inches. So here you have 12.304, and here you have 9.25. You click on create new design. So when this page opens up, very good. So this is the size we need. The next thing to do is to now bring in those things I said you should have prepared, the template and the black. So let's go to, so the template comes first. Go to your gallery. Assuming you are using a system, you have to use this upload, but since we are using phone, go to your gallery. This network is somehow. Go to your gallery. Okay, so this is the template I'm talking about. This is the template I'm talking about. You're supposed to load it. So you spread it to full page of the page you have prepared already. To full page. Okay, then you go again to bring the black background I mentioned. Since you download it, it should be under your download. It should be under your download. Yes, I think this is it. So you bring it here and make it full. Spread it to be full on this left side. The next thing to bring is the ebook cover you have prepared before. The ebook cover you have prepared for that particular book that you have prepared. So you will check that one under Canva in your gallery. I think this is the one we prepared. This is the one we prepared, yes. So you have that one here. Make it full the page as well. Can we see? Oh, there's an error. Did you notice the error? Okay, corrected. So our ebook, our paperback cover is ready now. To download it, don't click on the arrow pointing down. It will download it as PNG for you. Click on the up pointing arrow so you can select how you want to download it by yourself. So you click on download and you change it to PDF print. Yes, change it to PDF print, and then you click on download. So your paperback cover is ready, your ebook cover is also ready. The next thing to do is to go straight to Amazon and start your publishing. Thank you. See you in the next video.